Hello guys and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change iPhone icons to dark mode and also how to make your iPhone icons bigger or smaller. This is a quick and easy way to customize your iPhone home screen. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to your home screen and press and hold on an empty area until the options appear. From here, tap on Edit in the top left corner and then select Customize. At the bottom, you'll see different options. If you tap on Dark, your iPhone icons will switch to dark mode and appear black. If you want to change them back to normal, simply go back to Customize and select Light Mode. Now, if you want to change the icon size, you can do that from the same menu. Just tap on Large to make your icons bigger, or switch back if you prefer smaller icons. That's it for this video. Your iPhone icons are now customized just the way you like them. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips and customization tutorials.